Hey, are you in the market for some solar panel connectors? I got sent over this one and it fits. The plug's perfect. The IP68 waterproof. You don't have to worry about the water getting down in there. Got it hooked up to my solar panel up there. It is set up for 3 different panels. Of course, I just have one. I've got it hooked up right there and here. It's heavy gauge wire. It does an excellent job. Like I said, heavy wire. It will hook up 3 different solar panels. Got it running to mine, running into my storage shed. I've got lights in there hooked up to a smart battery that I need to keep charged so I can keep my lights going. No electricity out here, so this works perfect. You're in the market for some, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours. And also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.